You are scrolling through your feed at 2 in the morning when a face you recognize pops up on the screen. It is one of the biggest pop stars on the planet. They are looking directly into the camera. They tell you that you can make hundreds of dollars every single day just by listening to music and rating tracks. It sounds like the perfect side hustle for anyone who spends all day with headphones on anyway. The website looks incredibly professional. It has these sleek graphics and a live counter showing millions of dollars already paid out to users just like you. But the second you start looking at the details, the whole thing begins to crumble into a heap of digital lies. If you look at the web address, you might notice something strange about the spelling. They use a lowercase letter L where the letter I should be in the brand name. It is a classic bait and switch. This domain was just created a few months ago. It has absolutely no connection to the real streaming giant we all know and use. Then you have the celebrities. Those videos of global icons endorsing the program are actually high-tech deepfakes. If you watch their mouths closely, the movements do not quite match the words. The audio is generated by a computer to mimic their voices perfectly. It is sophisticated, but it is a complete fabrication. Once you click that enticing button to claim your rewards, you are not taken to a dashboard or a music player. Instead, you are dumped into a messy affiliate marketplace. This is where they start harvesting your personal data. They want your name. They want your email. They want your phone number. They are building a list of people to target with more scams later. The final stage of this trap happens in a private group chat. They invite you to join a conversation on a messaging app to process your withdrawal. That is the moment they go for the throat. They ask for your sensitive financial information under the guise of sending you your earnings. Here's the cold truth that hurts. The Real Music platform does not have a public program that pays listeners in cash. There is a community contributor system for fans, but it rewards people with a premium subscription, not a bank transfer. Anyone promising you easy money to rate songs is simply lying to your face. This is not just a misleading advertisement. It is a highly coordinated funnel designed to drain your bank accounts. It preys on the hope of a quick win or a helpful side income. If you have already interacted with these people, you must stop immediately. Do not join their groups. Do not give them a single digit of your personal data. If you already handed over your information, you need to call your bank right now and report it as fraud. It is a deep and dangerous rabbit hole. I went down it so you do not have to lose your hard-earned money to a bunch of digital thieves. Be careful with those late-night ads. They are designed to catch you when your guard is down. These scammers are getting better at the visuals, but the logic always falls apart under a little bit of scrutiny. Stay sharp and protect your digital identity at all costs. Every click counts when you are navigating these fake promises. Be the skeptic that saves your own wallet.